Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a kiss pour on this 12 by 24 inch canvas. I'm using the Polycrylic mix, and as always I will put the full recipe and ratios and colors down below in the description box. But I'm using light purple, black, magenta, vermilion, white, and deep violet. And I'm going to load up 1 cup from this side and work my way over. And the other cup I'm going to start on this side and work my way over. That way I won't have 2 identical halves, but they should work together, being the same colors, of course. So I'm going to do that off camera, and I shall be right back. Okay, so I filled up the cups and ready to roll. A little spillage here, I just wiped. And here we go. I'm going to try rotating a little bit. I don't especially care that they touch in midair because I'm getting enough of a blend as it is. But maybe I will walk these out. And hope I don't regret it. And now just finish up. Okay. Well, that was a little nerve-wracking. Let's see what happens. Gosh, I love it at this point. Let's see. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm just kind of mesmerized by all that's going on here. Kind of reminds me of a Navajo blanket. The colors, it's pretty wild. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'll have to bring you in for a closer look at that. That's pretty neat. I'll have to watch the video and see how that happened. Just one more corner here, and then I will be, then I'll size it up. So let's see. I just love the deep edged canvas when you get a nice look on the side. That's why I don't use corner catchers, because I think, you know, you just get kind of a mess on the side. I like it to be free to roll over the edges. I'm going to tilt it back this way, change this up a bit. I want to get rid of that and bring a little curvature to this, but I'm liking this very much. Those are interesting kind of steps there. So I'll just tilt it straight this way. I apologize for the reflection of my window there. Just going to get rid of that corner down there, and then I think it'll be done. Well, you know what? I don't think I want to tilt anymore. Yeah, I can easily touch that up with paint. Yeah, just take some of the vermilion and touch up that corner. There. Let me bring you in for a closer look at some of these areas I think are fascinating. Bring you into my favorite area is all of that. That is fun. I like this half better than this, although this has very interesting effects. Look at that. I like that, and I like the kind of stair-step look there. That little webby look, that's good. Take you out for the look at the whole thing. I'm happy that it's not divided right in half. It's about, you know, it's over, not quite 2/3 the way through, but it's more better compositionally, is that a word? Than to have it split in half. So I'm pleased with that. I don't know, the colors are kind of odd, but I think it's fun. I think I like the vertical orientation of it. Maybe this would be the bottom over here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna let it dry and live with it. See what I think. Tell me what you think. And thanks for watching. See you next time.